Hi, in this video we will show you how to operate our popcorn machine. You can rent from us the machine that will include the scoop, or buy from us separately the servings that will include the bags and the popcorn kit to make up to 100. To operate, first make sure it is connected to power. To operate, open the machine and turn on these 3 switches. They must all be turned on. The first switch will turn on the heat to keep your popcorn warm. The second will ignite the motor that will rotate your popcorn to avoid it from burning. And the last switch will turn on the heat for cooking the popcorn. Once all 3 of them are on, wait 3 to 4 minutes to make the first batch so that the kettle is heated. Once it is, open the top of the pot inside and insert the oil part of your kit. Open the packet and pour all the oil in. After that, you can open the other side and insert the popcorn. You will know the machine is working because it will be hot inside and because the pot will be stirring. Once they are ready, popcorns will begin to pop. When it's full, you can rotate the handle and pour all the popcorns inside the machine. Rotate it back to make a second batch. You can also refer to the instructions for cooking on the door of the machine. Once you're done using, please remember to remove all the excess and leftovers before returning your rental. Thank you for renting with us.